On this 2015 to 2025 Ford F150 with the 3.5 EcoBoost, P0072 is a PCM code for ambient air temperature sensor circuit low. In plain language, the PCM may be seeing the ambient air temperature signal lower than expected. Depending on the vehicle setup, that can show up as an incorrect outside temperature reading, and it may affect systems that use outside air temperature as an input. Broadly, the possible fault areas can include the ambient air temperature sensor circuit, connector condition, wiring integrity, or the PCM input side of the circuit. For this target code, the diagnostic path does not provide a component-level test to walk through here. The next required action is the dedicated ambient air temperature circuit diagnosis. Because that test routine is not available, do not guess at pin checks, signal values, thresholds, or repairs. Pause here, recheck the earlier diagnostic path for P0072, and continue only when the correct circuit test routine is available. Keep verification separate from the circuit testing. Once the correct diagnostic path has been completed and any confirmed fault has been corrected, verify the repair and confirm P0072 stays gone. The takeaway: this is an ambient air temperature circuit low code, but without the required circuit test routine, the right move is to stop and get onto the correct diagnostic path instead of guessing. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.